Look at this pitiful face. So sad. So neglected. Hello everybody. It's been a hot minute since I did some makeup. I think actually over a month on here. And yeah, I wanted to do some today. Plus I need some new pictures for my Instagram. So yeah, I have my hair done kind of. This is not how it's done. I need to take the clip out and then it'll be fine. But this is also not what I'm wearing for the pictures. I'm wearing a white shirt and I don't want it to get dirty. You know, y'all get it. So yeah, hi. Suddenly I have a ton more time to make content. Take it for what you will, okay? No, basically I got let go from my writing job and I'm very upset about it. It was very shocking, came out of nowhere, and yeah, that's all I'm gonna say about it because I'm not very happy about it. So today we're gonna do some makeup and not think about it. I also noticed, like, I was going through my channel trying to figure out, like, what kind of makeup do I want to do? I want to do something I haven't done in a while. I have not done, like, alternative, I don't want to say goth because it's not the right word, but I guess kind of like pastel goth makeup in, like, a hot minute. So I was like, you know what? Let's do it. I had, if you guys know Rainbow Brandee, I think she's still Rainbow Brandee on YouTube. I'll tag her. She is a pastel goth queen, and I absolutely adore her. I love her content. She does, like, such cool, she makes me want to spend all my money because she does such cool hauls and finds such cool stuff. But I love her Instagram. She's been doing, like, martial arts lately, so she's been taking pictures doing that, but in, like, her, like, alternative outfits. I love it. I think she's so cool. She is, like, the pinnacle of wear what you want, do what you want, like, life's too short to be boring. Like, that is her. So shout out to her. But yeah, she, like, looking at her stuff, I was like, I want to do something like that. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna do, like, purples because I really like a purple look and I haven't done a purple in a minute. So yeah, as you guys can see, Ruger is here. He's chilling. He makes many appearances in my latest reading vlog. I read, like, one genre for a week and I'm doing that again. I've just been bad about, like, updating the vlog, which I'll probably do today after I film this. And if you hear pitter pattering, it sounds like Juniper's playing with her little stuffed mouse, so she's having a fun time. But yeah, I'm just using this purple as a transition because I'm gonna put some black in here. But yeah, like, black, dark purple, and a pastel purple, I think is gonna be the look today. So yeah, expect a lot more content from me because basically with my now free time, I'm just gonna make a ton of videos because I can. And truly, this is what makes me happy. So I'm, like, obviously I'm looking for something else, but the environment was very quickly changing, and from what I've seen with these type of companies, this is not out of the ordinary for them to do this kind of stuff. So it's fine. We persevere, we move on. Into my old school makeup tricks here, using a tiny packing brush with the black to go into the crease. I have not done makeup like this in a while, and I think it's because at my other job that I had, where I was a pirate, I was doing very smudged, like, smoky looks every day. So when I was filming, I was like, I want to do something warm and, like, fall, because I always want it to be fall. But yeah, now I'm like, I want to use my black eyeshadows again. So now that we've darkened all of that, let's take a little bit of concealer. Just a smidge. And I'm just gonna put it on my lids. Like I'm wiping most of the product off. Oh goodness. Ruger's groaning because I dare speak in his presence while he's trying to nap. But yeah, just a little bit like that. A little flat brush like this. Lightly tippy tap on the lid. And you can kind of swipe if you need to spread the product out a little bit, like a little paintbrush. But when you get up towards the crease, you're gonna wanna use those little tapping motions to blend it. Halloween is coming! Yay! Me not having a regular job right now is okay with me because I can make Halloween content. Haha. Which I'm gonna start doing very soon. I have probably like 6 costumes that I could do like right now, like film them today if I had to. So I'm gonna get started on those, and then I'm gonna try and knock those out first, obviously, because I don't have to buy anything for those costumes. But like I've already purchased everything. There's a few that I have to buy a couple things for, but I'm holding off on that until I find another job. Oh, by the way, I'm just packing like pastel purple on my lid. You can see that. It's okay. Just want you guys to see the liner on this side. I extended into the inner corner a little bit, and then it's not too much of a swoop. It kind of just follows my natural eye line. So I'm gonna try and recreate this on the other side, and then we're gonna put on lashes. All right, liner, pretty even. It's gonna be a good day. Oh, I forgot to put on lip oil. I'm gonna do this before because the lipstick I'm going to put on, it's not drying per se, but it does apply better if I have a nice moisturized base. Now lashes. I'm gonna give them a curl, give them a little mascara, do the whole thing. Lash Paradise for the mascara today, also known as my absolute favorite. I had to pause because my light overheated, so I threw my brows on. They'll look better once I do the rest of the makeup. My brows never look even, no matter what I do, so I've kind of given up on that front. However, oh, well, that's because that's way up there and it shouldn't be. This is like just gripping this skin right here for some reason. I have like a dry patch. Well, I'm just using powder, so there's not really a reason it should be grabbing there, but it is. So let's just top these off a little bit. I did put some like color correcting just here and here, but now let's do my base. I'm using the Pretty Fresh. So like I said, it's hot. I'm gonna be taking pictures in this photograph well, but also it's the shade I need right now. So I'm just putting this on with a sponge. This stuff definitely put on with a beauty blender, a sponge, whatever. I would not recommend using a brush with this. Basically, it's just too thin. Like, you will use so much product if you put this on with a brush. I like a lot under here just because when this oxidizes, you can still see my dark marks. I'm gonna go in the Cupid's bow with this too. We'll just blend it all out. Although the middle of my forehead is looking like we need to work with it a little bit. So now we're gonna contour. I know this is really dark, but I'm blending it back into the hairline. And I'm gonna go with this side of the brush. It's a clean brush. And we're gonna blend it all out. Okay, for blush, I'm doing kind of a pinky, rosy, bronzy color. And then for highlight, we're gonna stay in the same family. It's kind of bronzy glow. It's this triple baked highlight from Revolution. And it's called like Goddess of Love. I don't even know if they still make it, but it's one of my favorites. I love doing this like little square of highlight because I think it draws the eye right into the eyes in the middle of the face. So you get the full effect of what you're doing with your makeup because you're not looking, you know, over here, over there. It's pulling you in here and then everything else, like how we do it, you know, the eyes and then you do everything else. You go here and then everything else follows. I take a very little bit of this kind of, it's not really white, but it's not really gray either, color that I have. Put it on the lower lash line. Yes, this is the brush I use with black, but this color is quite pigmented. It just brightens up the eyes, and my eyes are green. And if we're going with like the color wheel, and we're talking like, you know, what colors you should use, if you want to make your eyes look very, very green, this is the look. You want dark, but purples bring everything out and together. And I think, other than the lip, this is it. Wow. Okay. So I'm going to set with some Fix Plus real quick. I'm going to line my lips with a dark purple, even though my lipstick's going to be black. Black lipstick, of course. This is Cursed Cosmetics. This is a Ritual. I have a code if you guys want to use it for 10% off. They have some really cool stuff right now. I highly recommend checking them out for spooky season and all your pastel goth needs. Alright, so here it is. I just put on the white top. Like I said, took the hair down. It was curly at one point today, but then I went outside and the humidity was like, and it was gone. So, but this is it with my like Black Widow blood drop necklace, which I love. I think I got this on Amazon. Here are the nails. They're these fun pastel purple little press-ons. Very cute. They have little hearts and everything. So yeah, here's the look with the hoops, everything. I'm probably gonna put a leather jacket with it for pictures, or maybe like some sunglasses, you know. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, let me know down below. I love doing pastel goth, spooky looks. So if you guys want to see those, there's a ton on my page. And I will see you guys hopefully in the next one. Ruger's back there now and he says bye too. So goodbye.